In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a UPI QR code to an invoice in Zoho Books. This can be a great way to streamline payments and make it easier for your customers to pay directly through UPI. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. To begin, start by navigating to the Settings menu, which you'll find in the top right corner of your Zoho Books interface. This is where we customize various aspects of your account to suit your business needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look under the Sales section and select Invoices. This is where you manage everything related to your invoices, including adding the QR code functionality. Next, go to the General tab within the Invoices settings. Here, you'll need to enable the Invoice QR code toggle. By turning this feature on, you're essentially allowing QR codes to be a part of your invoices, which is a huge advantage for simplifying the payment process. Now we need to set the QR code type. For our purposes, we'll select Custom. This option allows you to configure a QR code that's tailored specifically to your business's needs. After selecting Custom, find the Configure button and give it a click. This opens up a configuration window where you can enter your UPI details. It's important to enter these details accurately so your payments can be processed smoothly. In the configuration window, you'll see a format for entering your UPI details that looks something like this. UPI/pay/UPI IDNPN, your company, name and MC, C0,000 under N mode, 02 and purpose in sale. Let's break this down. Replace your API ID with your actual UPI ID, the one you use for transactions. This typically looks something like you at bank. Then replace your company name with your business's name. Both of these pieces of information help identify where the payment is going and who it's for. Next, you'll need to add a QR code description. This is essentially a label or note that will accompany your QR code. It's a good place to briefly state what the payment is for or highlight something specific about the transaction. Finally, once you've filled out all the necessary fields and double-checked everything for accuracy, click the Save button. This will apply all your changes and finalize the addition of the UPI QR code to your invoices. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily integrate a UPI QR code into your Zoho Books invoices, making the payment process smoother for your customers and potentially improving your cash flow. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.